This is Brajendra Singh Chauhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel BS CAD Cam. Guys, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon button for new video notification. Now we start the tutorial. Now go in the file, new part. This is a part. Okay. Now select this plane and sketch. Now select the profile and draw vertical, horizontal and vertical, horizontal and vertical again, and escape. Now take a dimension constraint. This is a 25 and double click on this, and this is a 50, so we take it okay. Now we select this is a 1000. Okay, now go zoom out. Okay, and this is again 50, and this is 25. Okay, just a minute. Double click on this, and enter is 25 and exit sketch. Now go in the sheet metal. Okay, now click here, check the parameters. This is a thickness is 2 mm and the band radius is 4 mm, and check this changes. This is a 2 and okay. Now select just a minute, this command, and select the profile and take it. This is a 1 meter, and second side is 1 meter again, and okay. Just a minute, double click on this. This is a 10,000, we change it 1000 and okay. Now here is the profile. Okay, and isometric view. Okay, then now we make this side plate in 5 mm thickness. Now before start a new part, you can save it, save and desktop, and create a new folder and take a name is a sheet. Okay, and okay, double click and check the number 10001 and save it. Okay, now we make this side plate. We use this side plate and on second side. Now new file, part. Okay, and take the number 1002 and okay, and select this plane and draw the sketch. Take a profile, you can check the profile and okay, vertical line, horizontal line, and down to vertical, and select the first point and double click on the dimensions. Now this is a 50, this is a 50, and this is a 1000. Okay, and zoom out and exit sketch. Go to in the sheet metal module and parameter. This is a 5 mm thickness and you can change it. This is a 8 mm. Okay, now radius is 8 and okay. Now select the profile, select this wall edge and okay, and okay. If you want to check the thickness, you can click on here. Okay, and meter, this is a, select this. Okay, now we escape, update it, measure this face, and second is this face, this is 8 mm. Okay, Now go in the isometric view, fit to view, just a minute, isometric view, okay, and save. Okay, now make the new part and okay, take the number 10003 and okay, and file, new part, okay, take the number, just a minute, we have already opened the, now we select the XY plane, sketch, profile, vertical line, horizontal line, and down, vertical again, horizontal, and a vertical. Okay, now take a, select a line, select this and line, start point and the midpoint, and apply a horizontal constraint. Now this is a 100, this is 100, and this is 30, okay, and this is a 20. Okay, now double click on this, this is a 20, and again this is a 20, sorry, 20. Okay, exit sketch, sheet metal module. Okay, this is the opposite side. Now parameter is 2 mm, radius is 2, and wall up to mid, this is a 1000, so half and half is 500, and opposite side is 500, and okay, and save. Okay, now we create assembly, so new part, now start it, file, new, this is a product. Okay, now insert a first part, this is a one, and open it and close it, and apply a fixed constraint, select the body and insert a second part, this is a side plate, open it and select this face and this face and apply a constraint. Okay, this is the same, okay, and update it. Just a minute, and zoom it, select this face and this face and apply a constraint, then opposite, okay, and select this face and this face and apply a constraint, this is also in opposite direction, then okay, and update it. Insert a second part, this part again, okay, select, just a minute, select this face and this face again and apply a constraint, then this is a pose same, and okay, and rebuild, okay, and select this face and this face and apply a mate constraint, then this is also in opposite, and updated. Before updated, we select this face and this face and apply a constraint, and this is opposite and okay, and updated. Okay, now we insert a third part. Before we inserting, then this is the isometric view. Select the isometric view, then rotate it and insert a last part, second last part. This is the 3 number, and open it and close, and select this face and this face, apply a constraint. This is also in a opposite direction, and okay, and update it. Okay, and select this face and zoom out and rotate it, and select this face and apply the constraint, and this is also in opposite direction, and okay, and updated. Now we select this and select the edges and move it on this side. Okay, now we select the midpoint of the third number part. Just a minute, look like good in here. Now select this face and the middle of the first part and apply a constraint. Now we select the offset constraint. This is value is a 333. This is a -3. Okay, now we select it. This is 333 and okay, and update it. Now we insert a third part again. Okay, open and select this face and apply a constraint. This is also in opposite direction, then opposite. Okay, and close and update it. Now we select this face. Okay, now we select this face and rotate it, and this face, and apply a constraint, and this is also in opposite direction, and okay, and update it. Now we repeat this and select the edge and move on this side, this body. Okay, and select this face and this face and apply a sorry, just a minute. We take this, select this and apply a offset. The value is 333 and okay, and update it. Okay, and isometric view. Here I am changing the value of this. Okay, we change the value. This is a 100. Now you can see here. Just a minute. This is a sketch. This is sketch. You can check it. This value is a 50. Here is a value. This is a 50. Okay, and exit sketch and update it. Isometric view. Okay, our tutorial is completed. So I hope you like this tutorial. So please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button for new video notification.